Take a seat and settle down. Today, we are going to do a beautiful healing session to release our past. All the fears, the regret, the painful memories, the hurt, the guilt, everything about the past. So close your eyes, take a deep breath in, take a deep exhale, put your hands on your heart, and just repeat what I say. All the fear I have in my body that I have collected consciously or unconsciously, I now take 100% responsibility for all my fears. I am not feeling these fears. I have created these fears. So now, I choose to take 100% responsibility for all my fears, starting now. To all the fear in my body, I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. And I thank you for trying to protect me. But I'm safe now. To all the worries in my mind, I'm sorry for feeding you. Please forgive me for believing I need to worry. I'm sorry for hating you. I actually created you. So, I love you, my dear worried thoughts. I know you are here just to care for me. So, thank you for caring for me. Dear worried thoughts, you can rest now. I am peaceful. To my racing heart and my tight chest, I'm sorry for all the stress I have created for you. Please forgive me for not taking care of you. I love you, my dear nervous system. I love you, dear heart. Thank you for all the messages you are trying to give me. Thank you for all the alerts. You can relax now. I am at peace. All my fear about what will happen in the future. I'm sorry for creating these imaginative fears. Please forgive me for not trusting my present moment, which is actually not that bad, which is actually even almost perfect. So, this moment, I love you, my dear, and I thank you for keeping me safe right now. To all the fear that I have inherited in my body from my past, from my family, or my ancestors, I'm sorry for carrying it. Please forgive me, dear ancestors. I love you. I thank you. I release you. Because I choose to be free. And I want you to be free. My inner wisdom really knows there's nothing to be scared about. This is just an illusion. So, dear past, I honor you. I respect you. I am no more scared of. What if I repeat? If you did happen in the past, you were supposed to happen. And if I did not attract anything, it was supposed to be. I'm sorry for worrying unnecessarily for something I cannot change. So, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a deep breath in. And now bring your hands in Namaste position. And create some distance between your palms. And bring all your worries, all the hurt, all the guilt, all the regret, all the fears from your past between the space. Bring as much as you can into the space. And once you're ready, move your hands towards the universe and say, go with love, grow with love. Experience the release. And once more, repeat with me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.